Hey team. In our conversations yesterday about the habit loop, many students figured out that the cue for the behavior that they wanted to stop was arriving at home. And I get it. It's so easy to arrive at home and say, I'm just gonna grab a soda from the fridge, or I'm gonna go right to my room and take a nap. I wanna show you how to use an app that might even be installed on your phone right now to help nudge you away from this behavior. This app is called Shortcuts, and it looks like this. Here's how to set up an automation in Shortcuts that will help you by running when you arrive at a location. Okay, so here I am inside of the Shortcuts app, and we're actually going to skip over to the Automation tab, which is in the middle. We're going to create a new automation, Personal Automation. We're going to do when we arrive. Now we have to choose the location. I'm going to put in Portal La Dehesa just as an example of an address, because you can search for locations. This might be your house or your apartment, wherever you live. So I'm going to choose that. So we'll hit done. And probably you're arriving at home, let's say around 4 p.m. And maybe this needs to run between 4 and 5 p.m., so we'll set that. And I'm gonna go down to the bottom here and search for alert. Because all I wanna do is create a pop-up button that just shows whenever I get home, whenever I get to this location. So maybe this should say, drink water, avoid the soda at all costs. So we'll hit next. Everything is looking good. So when I arrive at that address between 4 and 5 p.m., it'll show me that message. And that's it. You can check, make sure it's enabled, and try this out. Try it out when you get home today and see if you get this alert. Now, obviously, it's not going to stop you from doing this behavior, but it might be the push you need, hacks your habit a bit, and gets you to consider something else than whatever you usually do when you get home. All right, have fun with this, try it out, and let me know how it goes. Have a great day.